In late 1997, I was brought up to Condren District Court for my appeal against conviction and sentence. The sentence was very harsh because periodically I was sentenced on each separate charge to separate sentences after each sentence had finished. The District Court heard my appeal. We went for severity of sentence, and severity of sentence meant I was sentenced to concurrent sentences on a suspended sentence on a good behaviour bond from Walgett District Court. We had a good judge. Her name was Judge Tupman. She was a good judge. She actually sentenced me on that, and went with the recommendations made by probation as well. And one of them was to do an anger management course, which I completed. Thanks.